This is the lakefront property you have been waiting for. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath ranch is nestled back at the end of its cul-de-sac surrounded by mature trees. The main level is 1,432 square feet with a gorgeous kitchen and dining area, cozy living room with fireplace, master suite, 2 additional bedrooms, and laundry room. Beautiful hardwood flooring in the kitchen and dining areas. The walkout lower level is finished with a family room, rec area, bedroom and bathroom. 3,135 square feet. Finished throughout. Walk out to the stunning yard with lovely landscaping and trees. The wooded area creates privacy all around. Attached 2-car garage and detached 24 by 33 car garage complete this stunning property on 1.23 acres. This is the lake property you want to call home. View the virtual tour to this home here.